Thank you for watching. I'm here today to give you an overview and some information, as well as show you how to install this VANMASS phone charger mount for your windshield, available on Amazon. Two things that are most important to me whenever I buy anything online is the quality of the material and the quality of the construction. And so what I like to do is just open up the box, see what's inside, but at the same time, I'd like to inspect everything to make sure that it's in good working condition, that nothing's out of order, nothing's broken, nothing's cracked, everything works. And of course, everything that is supposed to be in the box is actually in the box. And so after looking through everything and inspecting it, I think this is ready to go. We're going to go ahead and install it. So I went ahead and I removed my old phone holder, and I'm going to go ahead and put it right here in this spot. Now it does come with a couple of different mounting clips. It comes with one if you wanted to put it on your air conditioning vent, okay? And you just tighten it on and you put the receiver here. I'm not going to be using this, but I'm certainly going to hold on to it. So like I said, I went ahead and took off the old phone holder that I had on here. I'm going to go ahead and put this this new one on here. And it's really a very simple process. What you do, the first thing that you want to do is go through, and you've got a wet alcohol wipe, and you just want to go ahead and get that area prepped over here. This is where I'm going to be putting it. Then you have a drying pad. Go ahead and dry that off. So you've got the female end here. You go ahead and loosen that nut up, and then you've got the male end. You put that in there, and then it's going to click, and it's in, and then you just tighten it up. Now I don't tighten it all the way because I'm going to be making some adjustments as I do this. Then you take the film cover off, or you take the cover off. You've got this area that's going to go on the windshield, and then you've got a lock here that's going to be locking in place. So it's now locked in place on my windshield. Now the instructions say to give it about 15 minutes to let it set. I just want to show you what that's going to look like when it's in. All right, there you go. So if you're looking for a new car phone holder to mount on your windshield, or on your dashboard, or if you want to put it on your air conditioning vent, I highly recommend that you give VANMASS a look. It works for me. It's a keeper. Maybe it'll work for you as well.